So I request the Y.V. Joshi sir to welcome the audience on behalf of the Society of Power Engineers, Vadodara chapter.
Good evening. As usual, we are once again meeting for this evening lecture, and I welcome you all, the members of Institute of Engineers, Society of Power Engineers, to this a very knowledgeable speaker we have today. He is also a good friend of mine. We are working together. Mr. Praveen Chandra Mehta. He was heading the substation engineering in JETCO, and he is master of that, and particularly in the earthing philosophy that has been introduced by him in JETCO after due diligence, thorough study, and we have got lot of benefits out of it. So I think today we will be gathering a lot of information from him, so as to update ourselves. I once again welcome all the participants, and I would like to inform that our next program will be a 2-day conference on low voltage and medium voltage switch gears that will be held in the month of May 30 and 31st May at Federation of Gujarat Industries, Sevasi. So we have kept the concessional fees for the members of Society of Power Engineers and Institute of Engineers. You can visit our website and you can nominate yourself. We'll be in short, we will be issuing the registration link in the SPA group also, wherein you can register yourself and mention that you are a member of Society of Power Engineer or Institute of Engineers. I request all of you to be there. That will be a 2 days conference on the switchgear, rather distribution sector as a whole. After that, there will be a mega event, that will be 3 days conference on workshop and conference on the transmission line. That will be held in November, in the month of November. There also will be getting lot of knowledge and information. Rather, we have a very good. There will be very good speakers, including Takalkar Saab, who is the master, or we can say legend, for the transmission sector. So I request all of you to attend these 2 seminar and conferences, and I request Yesha sir to take it further.
So I request Joshi sir to felicitate the speakers P.B. Mehta. Hello. I request the K.U. Thakkar sir, representing the Institute of Engineers, Vadodara Local Center, to deliver a welcome speech and the upcoming program of the Institute of Engineers of Vadodara Local Centers.
Thank you, Shah sir. Tomorrow we are organizing one program ફોર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ઓફ 8th to 12th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ. તમારા કોઈ બી ઓળખીતા હોય એમને મોકલજો. ઇટ્સ અ ગુડ પ્રોગ્રામ. ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝના પેનલમાં ઘણા 5 જણ છે અને દે આર વેરી લર્નેડ પીપલ. સો આઈ રિક્વેસ્ટ કે મેક્સિમમ લોકો પાર્ટિસિપેટ કરે, બેનિફિટ લે. On 17th of May, we are organizing chess tournament for engineers. Only for engineers. They may be a member of SPE, they may be a member of Association of Engineers, or they may not be a members, but it's open for all engineers. So we want more people to participate in that also. So the registration details would be sent to you on your WhatsApp. I welcome you all and let's start the program. Thank you.
I request the Keyur Thakkar sir to felicitate the today's speaker P.B. Mehta sir by bouquet and the certificate of appreciation. One minute, sir. Introduction matching. So today with us Praveen Chandra Mehta, P.B. Mehta. Is graduated in 1985. He worked erstwhile Gujarat Electricity Board and then the JETCO. He has put his services of 38 years with the JETCOs and other things. Presently, he is running his own proprietary company known as Persotech Solutions at Vadodara. He is having the interfaces as the designs of the substations and line, training to the engineers, analysis of the equipment, failure in power system study and analysis, protection coordinations of the industrial plant, power system, quality inspections of the equipment and the materials. He also the studies of the insulation coordinations and effect of renewable energy into the grid. He is a members of the SIGRI, study on the system technical performance. He is also members of the SIGRI and the CIRED, a study of low order harmonics at consumer end or at customer. He is also a member of the expert committee for revalidation of substation layout formed by the Central Board of Irrigations and Power for the manual published in 2016 and 2019. He is members of the group expert of the power sections in India formed by the Central Board of Irrigation and Power, member of Research Advisory Committee of IRDA. He is also a member of Institute of Engineers, MIE, and Certified Chartered Engineers. He is also members of the Society of Power Engineers, Vadodara chapters. He has presented many papers nationally and also internationally. He is also imparted training to the various engineers working in the JETCO, MCO, MPPTCL, NHPC and other organizations. Also he is delivering the lectures. Whenever I request him कि ये कॉलेज में जाकर आपको लेक्चर देना है तो ये रेडी होगा, लेकिन वो थोड़ा 1, 2, 3, 4 दिन मांगेगा. So he just give a big hand to such renowned speakers with us. And I request the dignitaries on the dais to take the seat on the opposite side of the dais and we can start the programs. P.B. Mehta. His topic is very interesting. Application of the engineering excellence for improving the human health.
Hello.
Thank you for introduction. Good evening to everybody.
Good evening, sir.
પાછળ સંભળાતો તો ઠીક છે, નહીં તો પછી અવાજ કરજો તો પછી મોટો કરી આપે. તમે ચોથી લાઈનમાં છો, નથી સંભળાતો. પાછળ ત્યાં સંભળાય.
Hello.
જોઈ લો.
Hello. Am I audible?
ઓન કરો, ઓન છે. ઓકે, બી થોડું ઉપર.
Hello. So today's topic is application of engineering excellence. Hello. Hello. Application of engineering excellence for human health. Many of you have thought that what is this subject? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Is it okay?
Is it okay? Am I audible? Actually, I am not a doctor. I am an engineer, but I want to deliver something regarding the health using our engineering excellence. So today's topic I have selected as the application of engineering excellence for improving the human health, and it is the relevant subject in today's era, because today we are using so many gadgets and the technological threats what we are facing nowadays, it needs some attention. So that's why I have selected this subject. So today's agenda will be some kind of introduction and significance of NEME, that is natural electromagnetic environment, threats against the human health, technical solutions, revealing the best remedial measures, a innovative method of human earthing, and some takeaway. See, every human being is intended to maintain good health, peace and prosperity in our life. This it's needed for the comforts, well organized and civilized life. So without sound health, whether it may be a physical or mental, prosperity of no use. Technology nowadays we are using that may be useful for both the purposes, for the purpose of prosperity and for health also we are using so many technologies. But sometimes hazardous use of the technology that may harm our human health. So that one should learn the prudent use of the technology. So before I discuss the real Hello. 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 Okay. Hello. So before I discuss the actual technical things that that kind of say human earthing, human body earthing, let me discuss with you some points that I have noted, a hypothetical kind of a theory based on my technical knowledge. These are the we know all. These are the benefits of the good earthing system. Earthing system plays a key role in designing the power system. It improves the safety level of operating the personnel. It improves the overall protection system. It improves the power quality. It reduces the interference. It is useful for absorbing the switching and lightning surges. It improves the safety of the equipment also, and it minimizes the possibility of floating neutron. Now this in our life also, if human is earth, means हम बोलते हैं ना कि he is down to earth, the person is down to earth. So it plays a key role in shaping the entire life. Means if person is down to earth, it plays a key role in shaping the entire life. When the earth resistance is decreased, when we are say discussing now, earth resistance should be as low as possible. So in our life also, what is this resistance? This resistance is our ahankar. Our ahankar. If this resistance is decreased, then our quality of life that improves. And your say in the society will be improved in the long run. The other thing, in a transformer, we know the principle. We supply the primary and secondary. If it is placed in a magnetic, in a zone of that magnetic field, that will induce a voltage, some voltage. No, that is a electromagnetic principle of the equipment. In human being also, if a person, for a same design, मान लो जो ट्रांसफार्मर है for the same design, इसके जो one terminal is connected to a potential, the other terminal is connected to ground. If ground is not proper, so for the same equipment, for the same design, the output will be different. So that is the role of earthing system. Similarly, in our life also, if a person, when we come across the other person, if the person is earthing system is properly, then your induced power will be more in your opponent. Next. The other one, we are many times we are telling that the earthing system should be effectively earthing. So what is the actually effectively earthing system? If all the neutrals in the system is solidly grounded, then it will play as a effectively earthing system. So in a organization also, if we keep the person who plays the role of neutral, means IRO, PRO, coordinators, all the persons who plays the role as a neutrals, they should be grounded properly, so that there will be a proper output will be there. That means a proper grounding system will be there. And time to time, we have to motivate them. That is a reactivation of the earthing system. Next. The good earthing system absorb the atmospheric surges. Similarly, in our life also, if we are grounded properly, the person at that time, the person when attacked by the social or a physical surges, disturbances, it will be diverted to earth, means a nature. So the effect of that surge will be negligible. So many times people gets heart attack or such a severe damage in the body when certain disturbance in the life is observed. Next. Now, with this hypothetical background, actually it is not any scientific theory, but this is just I have derived hypothetically with this earthing system. But now let us come with this actual scientific theory. You might have noticed many of the problems generated due to the electromagnetic field. radio frequency waves produced by the cell phones and communication devices, gadgets. Next. That means technology, it, unless used widely, may damage to the human life. Next. Electromagnetic field from the electrical wirings and gadgets, cell phones, high tension lines can disrupt the body's bioenergy if we are continuously in contact with them, to cause the tiredness and other serious health consequences. There will be, we will discussing in the subsequent slides. Significance of NEME. NEME means natural electromagnetic environment. See, God has given a very gift to us, and accordingly we are designed to resist all these mal effects. Electromagnetic frequency, that is energy, is continuously being produced from both the surface of the earth, that means land and ocean, and in the atmosphere. This presence of natural frequency, that is called FNE, is responsible for the proper functioning of our many processes of the body, and it provides the reference point of our biological cycle. Our physical and mental health, it's purely depends on this FNE, natural frequency. To get this natural benefit, actually, we must be directly in contact with the ground. So our body is such a design and harmonized since the inception of the humankind. This is nothing but the natural electromagnetic environment. This NEME is necessary. This is necessary to supply the energy to the human body for smooth running of the several biological processes. That means production of hormones, immune response, digestion, sleep cycles, and many more. That means a human body requires a physical connection with the earth to maintain the inherent health and psychophysical balance. So anything which causes the disconnection from this natural condition, means body to earth, will lead to the numerous imbalances and consequent dysfunction of our natural system, and thereby disease. Next. Next. So what is the now problem? Next. Human beings have maintained this NEME since inception, but since the millions year, by using the leather, cotton, that kind of footwear, and our ancestors were sleeping on the ground, no? But we have lost this connection to the ground, and with the invention of the synthetic material like a plastic, that direct connection of our body with the earth is affected. It's affected. If we wear shoes with a synthetic rubber sole, it will insulate ourselves from the ground. In many of our working life and work one or more floor, so we are away from the ground continuously, and even during the sleep also, as the floors maybe a 10th floor, 12th floor, So during sleep time also, we are not in the contact of the ground. Next. This Suman, it's a name of scientist. He has invented that this Suman resonance. It is a low amplitude, low frequency signal. The electromagnetic waves generated by the ionosphere, which affects due to the lightning or waves of the ocean and some of the सूर्य का जो और ग्रहों का जो सब भ्रमण वगैरह होता है, इसकी वजह से ये सब it produces this kind of frequency, like 7.83 hertz. It's called the Schumann resonance frequency. Human and animal both this brain lock onto this frequency and use it to synchronize the biological rhythms like a sleep cycle and hormone production. The research made by these three scientists, this Abraham, Hegel and P.B. Hemmel in USA in 2003, it reveals that the SFF with Schumann fundamental frequency has shown the coherence in the various parts of our brain and is needed for the orienting the attention, memory processing, motivation, coordination, and give a sense of well-being. It's a well-known example of the spacecraft. When the USA has sent the manned spacecraft, when the persons returned from that journey, they were severely affected by the absence of this natural environment. So after that, NASA has now built the Schumann wave generator in the manned spacecraft in order to keep the astronauts physically and mentally healthy. More research have shown that this SFF with the Schumann fundamental frequency will lower the BP, and in chronic fatigue syndrome there was an increased overall well-being. There was decrease in the pain, fatigue, brain fog, and allergies in majority of the case studies. The reverse effect is in the DJ. DJ is also low frequency, but it is a high amplitude. So it will affect the brain and the heart. So it is actually the danger. Next. So actually what is the issue? This natural environment, we have polluted this environment by means of this chemical pollution and the other type of pollution that is called the electropollution. That electropollution means a harmful effect of the radio frequency, electromagnetic field strength, and the other is a dirty electricals. That is a harmonics. You might be wondering that how harmonics will be affected, but the harmonics in general in toto when it is reaches to the transformer, that electromagnetic field strength of the transformer primary winding causes these disturbances, and this all kind of pollution have disturbed the backbone of this natural balance. Next. The other threats, technological threats is electro-hypersensitivity. Consequences of the constant radio wave exposure is known as EHS. Various studies in US have derived that there are 32 symptoms such as sleep problems, insomnia, forgetfulness, fatigue, headache, restlessness, dry eye, mouth, skin complaint, weight increase, infertility, frequent urge to urinate, and many more. There are 32 types of symptoms is noticed due to this EHS. Next. One of the most important measurement for this effect of this EHS is in the radio frequency measurement is the exposure limit of the SAR. You might have heard, no? Specific absorption rate. How many of you know there is a law, there is a regulation, there is something, a figure is there that SAR should be for our mobile. How many of you know?
1.6 maximum.
And that should be displayed in your unit. No? It should be displayed in the unit. It is given in the 2013 Government of India Telecommunication Guideline. This specific, what is this specific rate, absorption rate? It is the rate at which the body absorbs the radio frequency energy, and it is measured in the watt per kg. So if we are complete whole body is near to some radio frequency, then figure is 0.06 watt per kg. And if it is a part of the body, then it is 1.6 kg, 0.08 for the whole body, and partial body it is 1.6 watt per kg. That means we are using cell phone, so we can consider it is a partial body, connection with the partial body. And if we are going to a place where the radio frequency generation is there, we are entering at that room, in that case, this radiation should be 0.08 watt per kg. So, to maintain this, there should be a filter should be provided in the particular this device. So, in Motorola, Dr. Marcon, who was the patron, who was the main scientist of the Motorola, when the first mobile prototype they were introduced in 1973. At that time, American Society of Scientists, they have given the memorandum to the American Congress that this device should not be in a commercial use unless and otherwise it is proved that it is not harmful to the human body. So the Motorola, the American Congress has given the notice to the Motorola and state them that you should prove that this is not the harmful. So after 2 years, they have provided so many filters in these, and they have introduced this mobile. And in 1983, it was commercially launched in the market. But at that time, they have declared that this mobile is safe if it is kept 6 mm away from body. It was clearly given to the government of America that this device is, we have provided all the filters, but anyhow, this device is safe if it is kept 6 mm away from body. But nowadays, there are so many other technology they have introduced, and so many filters they have provided, and after that, this 1.6 watt per kg, the type test is being done rigorously, and after that it is passed for the production. Next. This is the example of some of the government regulations worldwide. In USA, they were very first introduced in 1996, and in Israel 2012, that Parliament has passed a law that requires that all cell phones sold to bear the health hazard warning label that should read like this. That जैसे सिगरेट में होता है ना, the smoking is injurious to health. Like that, they have displayed that the health ministry cautions that heavy use and carrying the device next to the body may increase the risk of major disease, especially among the children. In September 2012, Indian government has issued a new mobile radiation law, and the exposure limit was earlier it was 2.0 watt per kg. It was revised in 2012 as a 1.6 watt per kg, and that is displayed in the handset. Actually, they don't display on the handset, but they write it in a manual. In every manual, we find that this is less than 1.6 watt per kg. The international body.
મોબાઈલ વાગે ત્યારે જ રેડિયેશન જાય કે નહીં?
ના એવું નથી. ઇફ ઇટ ઇઝ સિગ્નલ આવતું હોય મોબાઈલ એ તો એને રિસીવ કરે
ઓકે.
ત્યારે જાય છે. પણ actually if mobile is not received that signal properly, then it is very dangerous. So that's why the mobile while mobile is dangerous. So कार में आप जो बात करते हो ना, that is dangerous. Mobile while mobile, it is a dangerous. Mobile when you stand alone, then it is safe. अगर ये भी यूज करना चाहते हैं तो आप जो विंडो शील्ड है that should be closed. It should not be open. Because the radiation that produces ये विंड शील्ड के साथ that ये इस रेडिएशन है वो ज्यादा होता है. So windshield, that study says that if you are traveling and if you are using the mobile, then your windshield should be closed.
Those are open.
No, it should not be open, it should be closed. Not open.
Then the signal will become weaker, and then the phone will have to emit more radiation.
No. That weaker, but while the moving, there will be more radiation.
સ્કૂટર ઉપર બેઠા તો મોબાઈલ ઉપર વાત નહીં કરી એવું કહેવા માંગે
Yes,
છે ને? હા,
yes.
તો એક વખત વાંધો નહીં. ઓકે. અને આ તમે મોબાઈલમાં અંદર બહાર કવર હોય તો ચાલે કે ના ચાલે? मोबाइल विथ ऑल द कवर्स, फुल कवर देख लेते हैं, नंबर बाद में बंद करके देख लेते, जैसे सुरती साहब हमारा यूज कर रहे हैं.
कवर जो
बताते
है
हैं. In that case, what is the effect of radiation to human body?
ના એ ઇફેક્ટ એ નથી, પણ કવર એવું ન હોવું જોઈએ કે it produces the heat inside the mobile. It also
Go ahead.
So International Commission on the Non-Ionized Radiation Protection. This is the international body which gives the time to time regulations. India follows this, and at present it is 1.6 watt per kg. Next. Now that's what we have discussed is the problem. Now what is the solution? ये यूज नहीं करना है तो हो नहीं सकता. this is regulate the electromagnetic field strength and radio frequency and harmonics. This is the technical part, so we will not discuss on this today, but we should regulate it. Use of the other technical solutions. There may be some kind of filters specifically designed for EMC compliances and radio frequency compliances. And the other is the use of the other solution that we will be discussing today is the human body earthing. This is the picture I have shown. This left one is the right image shows the brain tissue when the magnetic noise field. Left image shows the heating of the brain tissue while talking on the cell phone. This is the left one, and right one shows the brain tissue when magnetic noise field technology is used during the cell phone conversation. So many times we are using Bluetooth headset. So actually Bluetooth, using the Bluetooth is more dangerous because it is directly connected to near to our brain, directly connected to our body and near to brain. So it is very dangerous. But a tool, special tool, I will show you. This specifically device, this is called Bluetooth headset. This is called Bluetooth. It is a tube. It is a wireless. There is no wire. There is a special technology developed by Dr. Marcon in USA, professor of the Michigan. I think I forgot the name of that university, but that is developed, and now it is manufactured. I have imported it from USA. It is costing around 10,000 rupees. This is a very good sound. You can hear very very good. जो आप कोड्स वगैरह का यूज करते हो ना ऐसे, but fantastic thing is there is no wire in this. So here it will be a jack, but there will be no field effect to your brain. It is called a Bluetooth headset. Because tube is blue, that's why name is a Bluetooth headset. Only tube it is, but it's a special design tube. Either the guidance provided by the manufacturer according to the SAR. So Indian government in this booklet, they have stated that particularly for the children, this mobile should be 15 mm away from the body. It is written in the booklet. I will circulate it on these for the benefit of the our members. This is the name of that book. Risk Safety Measures EMF Radiation into booklet. GOI, Government of India. That I will circulate it. That's what's use of Bluetooth headset. I have already told. To provide the harmonic filters for the electrical installations, this is the remedy. To provide the adequate shielding in the case of EHV and UHV installation. This is the most important thing. When we were designing the substation, many times you might have seen 400 kV सबस्टेशन होता है। वहाँ जब मैंने ये ड्राइंग बना के दिया था ना ट्विन मूव्स ACSR ट्विन मूव्स कंडक्टर फॉर द ड्रॉपर ऑफ द लाइटनिंग अरेस्टर, तो पीपल हैव आर्ग्यूड, अरे इसमें कहाँ करंट होता है या बुद्धू कौन है ड्राइंग बनाएगा। Actually, it is not for the current, it is for the electromagnetic strength, electrical field strength. For 400 kV, no conductor should be less than twin conductor. Otherwise, there will be electromagnetic field strength at the bottom. It should be less than 10 kV per meter. It is measured in kV per meter. It is as per the regulation. It is at the ROW. It should be less than 10 kV per meter. But in US, in Switzerland, it is very stringent. It should be less than 2 kV per meter. The other solution is the human body earthing. So how we can provide this body earthing? Can I take this? You can take any kind of a chair and with a bare foot, this should be a mother soil. This should be mother soil without any rock, simple soil, and sit at least for 20 minutes. Actually, the therapy is for 40 minutes. When you are undergoing any therapy, it is for 40 minutes, but for a practice, we can have a 20 minutes. You can have also this kind of a body earthing in a river sand or a grass, green grass. You can seashore, yes. Sea also. Sea is actually the most preferable place. The sea sand is the most preferable because I will show in this next slide that electrons, that what we call it this NEME, that is mostly produced at the seashore. So we can benefit that free radical electron, it is called it. That we'll see in the next slide. At a stretch. નહીં બોજા બધું એટલે bare foot જ બોજા નહીં હોય સીધા it should be contact with the earth. Foot should be contact with the earth.
ઘરે આરસીસી કે આઈપીએસ હોય તો ન થાય. માટી હોય ને તો માટીનું કુંડું મૂકવું પડે.
It should be mother earth. બગીચામાં green grass, small grass, or a normal soil, or a sand, that is okay. So when there is a presence of radio frequency waves, okay, in our working place or home, our body is insulated. The waves are there. So waves will be passing, circulating in our body. So anything wave circulating, that means it will create a current, no? It will create a current. So circulating current, that's converted into the circulating electromagnetic current within the body, which causes the vibration at cellular level. And this then causes damage to the cell by displacing the ions and destabilizing the membranes. Ultimately, it may lead to the membrane leakage and can produce the negative biological effects that what we have discussed in previous slide. There are so many symptoms we have. Now, if our body is in contact with the ground, so at that time, all these radio frequency will divert it to the ground. इलेक्ट्रिकल से अलग है यह. इलेक्ट्रिकल में क्या है कि इलेक्ट्रिकल में you should not touch, it should not be ground. इसलिए we are grounding the equipments. Body should not be grounded in case of the electricity. But here in case of this electromagnetic, the body should be grounded.
Body is equipment.
Because it's acts as an equipment, no? Next. So benefits of the human body earthing. Improvement or elimination of the symptoms of many inflammation related disorders. Reduction of chronic pains. Better and faster sleep. Lowered stress, cooling down the nervous system, brain wave frequency will come down.
So it is some religion is more best. Some religion
There.
So is it good for them?
Yes, it is good.
These are the scientific reasons.
Yes, it is scientific research. These all are based on the scientific research. I have already given the name of 3 scientists. So see, God has हमारा बॉडी का जो कंस्ट्रक्शन जो किया है वो ऐसे किया है कि when there is a temporary electrical system में जो temporary overvoltage आ रहा है, if temporary stress is there, one element is called IL-6 is produced in our body. If temporary stress is there, IL-6 produced in our body. But if we are not connected to the ground, that IL-6 is not generated. And it produces the illnesses. Or means that stress level, that stress surge, that stress is will harmful to our body. So when we keep our body grounded, IL-6 will be produced, and thereby we will have a relief from the side effects of the stress. Normalize the body's biological rhythms. Means it regulates the hormones. It also thinner the blood cells, and it accelerated recovery from the intense athletic activity. जो एथलेटिक्स है उनको ये फायदा होता है.
Effect on the eyes. The body earthing, does it have any effect on the eyes?
No,
Eyes.
there is no mal effect.
So better effect.
So it takes on the whole body.
Yes.
All parts will
Ah.
have effect.
It is at cellular level, so all things will be affected.
Eyesight may not be directly improved, but indirect improvement may be there because of this improvement of the hormone system, cooling down of our brainwave frequency. All that affects in the vision also, no? This is the figure of a 3-person who has undergone 40 minutes of this human body earthing. The left side, as you can see, the next. Left side is the before, and right side is the after carrying out this earthing. So it shows that it's thinner the blood cells. Next. Here, yes, 1 minute. Dr. Sinatra,
That 20-week effect will be for the 24 hours.
yes,
So every day you are.
normally every day, it is supposed to be every day.
It will depend on your age also. What time? If you are
40 minutes for therapy, but 20 minutes is good enough for the per day.
This thinning will be there for training for us.
Pardon?
This
Thinning?
thinning of the blood cells will be there for training for us.
No, it will not be for 24 hours, but it is not actually clear in the report. We have not that data that up to how much days this effect will be there, but generally we can say that there is a benefit.
Chances of heart attack is less. Chances of heart attack.
Yes, yes, definitely it is less. Now let us have a few safety tips. So people having the active medical implant, अगर आपके यहाँ मेडिकल इम्प्लांट है, एक સળિયો નાખેલો છે હાથમાં પગમાં, at that time you should not be in a contact with the cell phone or a cooking, induction cooking. आपके हाथ में ये है इम्प्लांट, and if you are using this induction cooking, then there will be a circulating current because of the induction effect. So it is harmful, and it is noticed that many of the cases reoperation is done. माइक्रोवेव इज डिफरेंट थिंग. माइक्रोवेव तो क्या है, इसके अंदर माइक्रोवेव में एक टेस्ट है, दैट टेस्ट यू शुड परफॉर्म. आपका जो मोबाइल है ना, ये मोबाइल माइक्रोवेव के अंदर रख दो, बंद करो और रिंग मारो. रिंग शुड नॉट गो. मोबाइल रिंग वागवी न જોઈએ તો માઇક્રોવેવ બરાબર છે, અધરવાઇઝ ઇટ ઇઝ લીકિંગ. મેટલ પાર્ટ કોઈ પણ હોય અને તમે અહીં મોબાઈલ રાખો, so that will be a radiation effect. Any metal, even in a metal frame, it is also this industry. EMF source, back. Also, you should keep you're away from the heavy magnets of the DJ system. Keep mobile away from the wearing a metal framed glass. This EMC compliance, electrical and magnetic field, this electrical and magnetic field, it decreases if the distance increases, inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So if you increase the distance, the effect will be less.
That means it is better to keep on the speaker.
Hello?
That means we have to keep the always phone on the speaker.
Yes, it is better. When you are working, it should be on the table,
Yeah.
and it should be on the speaker board. Unless otherwise there is a secrecy, privacy is there, then it is good. In that case, you can use your headphones.
Every night time we keep the mobile very near.
No, it should not be. That practice should be avoided.
What distance should be there? The mobile.
6 mm.
How far is it? Every night time. Every night time.
ના ઉસી પાસે મુકાય જ નહીં.
બીજા રૂમમાં
એ ઇન્ડિયન ગવર્મેન્ટ તો એમ કહે છે કે 15 mm રાખવાનું, મોબાઈલ કંપની વાળા એમ કહે છે કે 6 mm રાખવાનું. પણ આપણે 6 mm છે એ એનાથી નજીક મોબાઈલ લાવવો નહીં.
Night time, during night time when you're sleeping, no?
અરે પણ હું કામ મોબાઈલનો એટલો બધો પ્રેમ કરો, છોડ તો રાધે થોડો મેડિકલ, થોડો શું કહેવાય બિલિયાનો અપવાસ રાખો. That will be better for you.
There is a countdown is there that we can keep on the back side of that, and the RF effect will be reduced.
Okay.
That is something else, some developed that.
Yes, yes.
Technology is developed with some countdown we should keep. On the back side of that mobile, the effect of RF is reduced drastically.
Okay, fine.
That may be, but it should be tested.
That practical also I can show you if the counter this speed is available. I have tested practically.
You tested the radio frequency field strength?
Not the radio frequency. The effect on your body. That you can
Nee,
see.
I have the radio frequency meter, I will test it.
Okay.
I have the meter, so I will test it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just the conclusion, mobile. So everybody should be aware. Just 10-15 lines.
એ અમારે ગ્રુપ છે ને એસપી ગ્રુપ.
So we will circulate to Institute of Engineers members and other Society of Power Engineers members. Yeah.
We will circulate it also, and I will put it on the SP group.
Thank you very much required.
Just do's and don'ts.
Yes.
Something like that. So that wider publicity could be done.
So magnetic field, actually magnetic field passes through almost all the materials. But for filtering that, the material like the permalloy and mu metal is being used. It is applied for the shielding of this magnetic field strength. That is being used in the smart meters, some kind of smart devices. It can emit the magnetic field. So in that case, it is already some kind of Faraday cage is also there, and this mu metal cage is provided for the purpose of the shielding of the magnetic field, because it is always in our near to our house. No, meters are what it may be a electric meter, it may be a water meter, many kind of smart meters now in the market. But it is already imposed by the government that they should provide that filter. Shielding cage and mesh is also made for the RF wave, and use of shield mesh for the smart meters, as I already told. Next. The other thing you might have noticed, झटको लागे છે. If we touch some metal, we feel a shock. That is the static charge. So for static charge, there is a remedy that one thing you should not touch like this, but if you firmly hold it, there will be no shock, and there should not be any distance. It should be the hand should be like this. It should not touch like this. It should touch like this. And use of the moisturizer.
How dangerous is it?
No, it is not dangerous.
You just feel.
It's just a mild shock. It's not a dangerous thing. Just it is kept for this purpose of the knowledge of audience. It is not actually the dangerous thing.
Dangerous for gas industry.
પ્લાસ્ટિક ચેરમાં લાગે પ્લાસ્ટિક ચેરમાં લાગે
Plastic comb.
Yes, comb.
Plastic comb.
And in Gulf countries, you might be wondering that when you park a car at the evening, and in the morning when you open your door, many people get thrown away. Such a big shock they have. So for that purpose, they have introduced a special kind of earthing. આપણે ઘોડી ચડાવીએ ને સ્કૂટરમાં બધા એવી ઘોડી ચડાવ એક સ્પેશિયલ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ અર્થિંગ સિસ્ટમ they have introduced. So it is like this. When you are in an idle mode car, it is connected to ground.
Like a stand.
હા સ્કૂટરમાં સ્ટેન્ડ રાખીએ આપણે એ રીતે આમાં સ્ટેન્ડ.
But ટ્રક્સમાં પણ પછાડી ચેન ને બધું લટકાવે છે. It is also for static electricity vehicle.
Next. આ ડિવાઇસ પણ જોયું હશે તમે બધાએ.
Yes.
this piezoelectric lighter is there. We are using in the home, but for the safety, you should. You might have noticed that this next. This is the switch, no? If accidentally this switch is on, or say it is shorted, so what will happen? Next. This is open. Here there will be a spark. If there is a flammable material is nearby, then there is a chances of fire. So in that case, it's a very minor thing, small thing, but I have introduced it. ये कबाड़ी मार्केट में से मैंने I have next. Yes. This cap I have provided. So in case of any mishappening, there will be no fire. So such kind of thing you can also do it yourself. This is just a small example. Next. These are the techniques. See, any threats posed by the modern technology, it should not be ignored. Due importance should be given for the study of this adverse effect of RF and EMF. Most importantly, body earthing, which is of course a very free gift from the nature, should adopt it in a regular day-to-day life, and this awareness should be propagated among the society. Next. Recently, here we have formed a Gujarat chapter of National Federation of Electrical Safety. So I am one of the council member of that, and we have been given a target to educate the society, to educate the at least starting from the colleges and schools, so that people know about the electrical hazards. Nowadays we are hearing so many incidents that फायर हुआ, ये हुआ. तो इस केस में थोड़ा सा some of the points I have given here. Use of the IS or IEC grade materials that we all know. Use of a 3-pin plug with the protective earth terminal. 3-pin plug use तो करते हैं, but हम check नहीं करते कि whether earthing is there or not. So it should be ascertained. Use the 30 milliampere RCCB for our offices and homes. It may be as a RCBO, which is a combination of RCC plus MCB. काफी बार लोग इलेक्ट्रिशियन क्या बोलता है, MCB और ट्रिप हो जाएगा. MCB it doesn't trip in case of the hot pot or a leakage. It only helps in the overcurrent protection. So RCCB is very necessary. Next. Yes. And for RCCB is there, you should check once in a month by pressing the dash button, so that its mechanism should not be jammed. Otherwise, normally in healthy condition it will not trip, no? But its mechanism should not be jammed. So once in a month we should check it. Yes. Ensure the adequate earthing system. Ensure the properly designed and correctly installed lightning protection system for all our installations. And one thing, a very important thing is the lightning protection down conductor. It should be connected to an electrode. That electrode should be at least 1 meter away from building, to safeguard the person from a ground potential rise. It should be 1 meter away from the building.
એ સીએ ગાઈડલાઇન્સ में लिखा 1 मीटर
Eh?
वाला 1
हाँ.
मीटर वाला
Yes. Maintain the adequate clearance. It is written. This is written. All this thing is written is NEC 2023 recent guideline, National Electric Code, NEC 2023.
Give every house and every female solar. Solar is the problem.
Which kind of problem you?
Like there might be some shocks or some leakage or some energy generation related problems.
Energy generation related problem. That problem may be a different kind of the problem with the reactive power problem or a
over voltage is there during the daytime when more solar generation is there in that case over voltage.
over voltage. And if it is the generation is in bulk, then it may cause the spurious tripping at the substation level also, because it draws more current many times. But that is a different subject. We can discuss later on. When there is a MCB or this protective device is operated, we should not close it without knowing where is the fault actually. Periodically check the adequacy of the all types of earthing system and the installation system. Next. Practice the use of the main individual plug with the specific rating to operate the appliances instead of using the extension cords. I have seen in the even hospital also, there were 6 PC was there and there was one extension cord here, and 3 PC printers and all this. This was all the one single wire. So that may cause overheating of that. And specifically in case of the any surge, do not bypass the protective device. Don't keep the flammable items too close to the lighting bulb or fixture. While using the single pole MCB, it should be ensured that it should be on a phase. It should not be used in a neutral. Next. Now this some of the practice psychological. Keep proper coordination with family members for our psychological health and colleagues in the organization. Develop caring and sharing nature. That will improve our health. No? Feeling of joy when the other gets succeed. That is the most important thing. Feeling of joy when the other gets succeed. If one acquires, then it will help in increasing the healing power. Your healing power will be increased. Take the physical medications whenever and wherever required. Next. The most important thing is practice pratna, prayer, and dhyan, meditation, and be down to earth. Practice gratitude, practice self-love. See, in Bhagavad Gita, it is told that in the Adhyay 6 mein, I have just given here the English form. A disciplined mind is a key to managing the stress. So, this will be achieved by dhyan and human body earthing. Next. For the if we achieve the health, we should achieve the success also, no? So for the success, be clear on what you want. Love what you see. Don't resist the situation, face, but study it and tackle it. I think you might have known the principle of aeroplane. What is the principle of aeroplane? See, we should run against the resistance. So run against the resistance and keep your head at a certain moment. The same resistance will help you in a flight. So that should be applied in our life also. So prepare the Gantt chart to achieve the goals. And once the line of action is decided, don't think much, go for it. Next. This is the thought. Bee is not the only insect to sit on a flower, but it is the only insect to get honey. The last sentence, the last message of this whole is let your hands be touched to sky, but your feet should be touched to ground. Thanks. I request all of you to practice this affirmation. Please stand up. You speak with me. I am property of God.
I am a property of God.
No evil can harm me.
No evil can harm me.
I am property of God.
I am property of God.
No evil can harm me.
No evil can harm me.
I am property of God.
I am property of God.
No evil can harm me.
No evil can harm me.
I am important,
I am important,
relevant in this world,
relevant in this world,
and I have purpose.
and I have a purpose.
I am important,
I am important,
relevant in this world,
relevant in this world,
and I have purpose.
and I have a purpose.
I am important,
I am important,
relevant in this world,
relevant in this world,
and I have purpose.
and I have a purpose.
My energy
My energy
easily transforms
easily transforms
negativity to positivity.
negativity to positivity.
My energy
My energy
easily transforms
easily transforms
negativity to positivity.
negativity to positivity.
My energy
My energy
easily transforms
easily transforms
negativity to positivity.
negativity to positivity.
Thank you very much.
So I request the Kevu Thakkar sir, SP Trivedi, please come on the dais.
These are
Meanwhile, we are having a 10 minutes regarding electrical vehicles. So we are having one gentleman, Mr. Raval is with us. I request him to please come on the dais and give a 5 minutes or 10 minutes on the electrical vehicle charging stations. So he is supplying or he is a consultant for the electrical vehicle charging, how it is charged and how we can invest your money to this project also. So after that we will take a 2 or 3 questions. Rahul, please come fast. सब लोग भूखे हो गए, आइए. So I am having no that much biodata because he is our electrical engineer. Give a big hand. Today he become our members of the Society of Power Engineers.
Can everybody hear me? Okay. I will give you some glimpse of what is beyond the charger or charging. So 5 minutes I will take, and why more importantly I am together today and now onwards. वो मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ. Normally if you can see, normally you can see the charger on the car which is been there. So chargers are like picture दिखेगा तो okay, this is what I will try to do. So chargers I can give you. We are giving the chargers which are for a truck charging, for a two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler charging. If you can see what I wanted to do, but
We have added one lecture of it on the complete electrical vehicle charging stations and other things. In that details we can have, but it is introduced initial and also give the what type of services is
yes.
provided.
So we are doing 3 types of activity at this moment: truck charging, retrofitment of the cars, where we are converting all IC engine cars to the electrical cars, which you can see from here on glimpse. Here it is approved on RTO. You can see those RTO screens which is coming in and out. So probably this Avi. And we are connecting electric trucks, 55-ton truck charging, which is here. If you can see these trucks, these are a 55-ton truck in Gujarat, in Saurashtra PGVCL under Rajula. These trucks have been charged, and we are consuming at this station about 70,000 kilowatt, 70 megawatt per month. And now it is still increasing, so we will be crossing somewhere 100 megawatts for this charging station. Each truck is consuming about 225 kilowatt hour, and such 10 trucks are coming every day. Every day 10 trucks are coming. So each truck is consuming 225, and 16 hours this charger is working. Now we are putting a second charger beside this, and the consumption is going beyond 70,000 kilowatt hour per month, and now we are putting a new solar station nearby, a power plant, where 1 megawatt we are taking on a ground mount in a rooftop arrangement on a ground mount, and then we will still be needing more. And the reason why I am here, because basically power is where, energy is where. This is the place. So we are here to give charging infrastructure as well as so this is our charger, 240 tak ka available hai, and we are developing 360 kilowatt hour charger also. So I will not take more time. Today it is a blinking like this thing, but some other time we'll give those activities where we are doing. These are the approved makes of the cars if people are looking for. But this is not to get you too much excited. These are only feasible when you have a 200 kilometer per day kind of a run, because it costs 6 to 7 lakh rupees to convert. तो वो आप रिकवर करोगे जब आपका 1 लाख किलोमीटर से ऊपर का रन है, तब वो टैक्सी वाले और कमर्शियल व्हीकल ही यूज करते हैं. But this is what is happening. We are at half the cost. We are converting the normal car into the electric car. These are some of the examples. You can see RTO approved plates are there. So, and this is the kind of conversion electrically. You can see from there. So, thank you so much, sir.
supply, installation, and
हाँ,
maintenance,
so-
all type of services they are providing.
So charging hub, we are creating a charging hub where these kind of charging stations are being created. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. अभी रखेंगे, we will arrange one lecture. कहाँ पे? दलवाड़ी साहब इनका lecture रख देना. हाँ, sponsor भी करेंगे. Sponsor भी करेंगे थोड़ा सा. Sure. भी बात कर जो तो मैं. Okay, thank you, Rahul ji. Okay, now we can have one or two questions if you are GR Patel said. બોલો તમારો અવાજ બહુ સારો છે.
I am J.R. Patel.
Yes sir, question from GR Patel sir.
I have no question, I have supplementary information.
Okay, fine, good.
2 days back, I was reading a book, Earthing, the most important health recovery ever. And then,
Yes.
yesterday night, I don't know.
Hello. Yes, yes, sir. Please. Oh, madam.
Hello.
અવાજ આવે છે મારો તમારા સુધી? આ સાહેબનો નહીં આવતો હોય ને?
Day before yesterday, I
Okay.
confirmed my participation in this. And I don't know how the multimedia or social media came to know. Today morning, they sent me one video. This was regarding earthing and time zone change. When we go from one country to other with more than 3-4 hours, we have a problem. So what it said is, give the example of the phone. When you are in a flight mode, and until the time you, for example, if you go from India to Europe, until the time you go and remove that flight mode, it doesn't catch up the local time. So then, giving that example, it said that if you are in India and your body is set to a particular time zone, when you go to the other country, other place, walk for 30 minutes on the ground and earth yourself, your body, you will not have a problem of adjusting to the new time. That is what yesterday night that video came up, I don't know how it came. I have, this book also says many things. It says if you earth your body daily for 30 minutes or so, lot of inflammation in the body and all those things will get removed and it will help the health. So I share this book, then maybe you can share with others. It's a very interesting book. If you, yeah, it's interesting. I don't know who is the author. Clinton over. Then Stephen P. Sinatra, yeah.
Dr. Sinatra.
Yeah, same.
He is the practicing doctor
Yeah.
in England. And what is the slide I have shown, it is in his clinic. These 3 persons undergoing this